Alright, my parts came in. Power head gasket to midsection. The Jesus Christ, I can't think. The exhaust cover gaskets, and I thought I was supposed to get 2 gaskets here because the Sierra part number calls for 2 gaskets, and he was advertising the Sierra part number and only sent me 1. It was a little bit weird the way he had it advertised, but anyway, gonna run to my storage unit. I think I have another one in there, and check that out. Also, I thought I spun my hub on the 62 Johnson 18 horse. Turned out the pin was broke, so I pulled the prop off the 68 20 horse $40 Craigslist special, and like I said, I thought this one I had spun the hub, and went ahead and put that prop on there to see if there was any kind of difference, and it's hard to tell at this point right now. But anyway, parts are coming in. All right. Just got to my storage unit, and yes, I do have the extra gasket for the 18 horse, and I have intake gaskets if I need them. So the reason why there's 2 gaskets on this damn thing is because in the middle of the 2 gaskets they put a baffle in there, and so one gasket goes on and the baffle goes on and the next gasket goes on, and they did that for a few years. I'm not sure exactly how long they ran with that baffle in there. You could probably remove the baffle and get away with it, you know, just using one gasket, but be like taking the baffle out of a motorcycle engine or a motorcycle exhaust. You know, it's just going to make it louder, and I don't know if it would improve the performance, but I'm going to stick with original, and so I'm in good shape. Hey, it's this old Outboard, guys. What's going on, guys and gals, women and children of all age? Hey, what's going on? It's this old Outboard. Cut. Hey, it's this old Outboard. Got my parts in for the 62 Johnson. I got a hey. Oh, shit, move this around a little bit. Hey, it's this old Outboard. Check this out. It's called the Spaghetti Seal. Sent to me by Mr. Ed Moore over at Rusty Resurrections. Check him out. Check out his channel. Cool guy. He's tearing apart a 63 Big Twin Evinrude Lark. This is him right here, his channel. He's got a ton of videos up, all kinds of different stuff. Campers, tractors, boat motor he's working on. Constantly busy. He hooked me up with the seal I'm going to need for the 63 28 horse Johnson short shaft tiller. I call it the Beast. Anyway, check him out. This is his channel right here. It's called Rusty Resurrections. Anyway, I'm testing out my new Sony Handycam. It's the XR160. It's 160 gig hard drive, HDMI, 1080p, 42 times zoom, I picked it up at the frickin' pawn shop Sunday for $33 and change with the tax and everything, and really couldn't believe it. I've been on eBay. The cheapest one on there was like $129 and something was broken on it, and then after that the other cheapest ones were like $149 and up, and it's an excellent condition. I can't wait to use it, and I'll use these little action cams I got. I'll be using them also, and hopefully I can put out some a little bit better videos. Haven't been real happy about the quality and stuff. Mostly sound. These little action cameras just don't get it with the sound. I changed out my monitor. I was running a small monitor with built-in speakers. I couldn't tell what the hell was going on half the time. Anyway, let me show you this little Sony I got. Alright, this is the Sony XR160 HDD 1080p 42 time extended zoom. Nice little camera. I got it at the pawn shop. It's like brand spanking new. I walk in and I look at their cameras. Man, they had GoPros and everything in there, dirt cheap. And I said, let me see that little Sony back there. And it had been marked down almost all the way. It was down to $50, and it also had a 40% off sticker on it. So I was like, holy mackerel, it's got HDMI out, it's got external microphone, of course it takes photographs, 160 gig hard drive, real sweet little camera. So I jumped on, I ordered, instead of ordering more batteries for it, I ordered a cigarette lighter cable thingy, and what I'm going to do is hook that up to the to a marine battery in my boat, and this damn thing will run all day. I don't have to worry about it like I do with these little action cams. You know, they're off, they're on, and you can't hear a fucking thing. Anyway, so I'll have I think a little bit better setup when I'm doing videos instead of running with these action cams all the time. And like I said, for $30 I couldn't pass it up. It was 33 and change with taxes and everything, and then I spent another $40 on I bought an external mic for it, and I'm going to do like a little review on that. And the microphone I got on YouTube, man, everybody praised this external mic, cheap $20 mic, praised it on YouTube. So I jumped on eBay and bought one, and then I went to Amazon just to check the price, and it got really shitty reviews on Amazon. So I don't know, you know, I don't know what to go by. I could have canceled it, but I said screw it. For $20, I'll check it out. Alright, here's some video I shot with the new Sony Handycam. It's actually not new, it's a 2011 model, but for me it's new.
Don't have much information that they can give us at this point to describe them. The four forced their way in.
Alright, it's Sunday. Sunday Funday. We got smoked sausage, we got chicken wings, and oranges, and celery, and blue cheese, and we got baked beaners, taters. Woo-wee! Looking good, baby, looking good. Over here on the grill, we got neck bone, baby. Woo-wee! Good old-fashioned, beautiful neck bone, just like eating ribs, but a little bit more work. There, big old on Zoom Rooney, cooking away. Woo-wee! Alright, Sunday Funday. Didn't get no fishing in. Didn't get nothing done, actually. You know, Sunday Funday, laundry, shopping, cleanup. There goes Turbo. Man, this thing zooms pretty good, man. We zoomed in right on you over there. It looked like it was right next to me. It's got a 42 times zoom. What we got over here? A steak? Woo-wee! Got a steak, baby. Oh, it good, it good. Okay, that was Sunday Funday, or the beginning of Sunday Funday. Anyway, this was the next morning. Camera works great. Can't complain at all. I mean, Jesus Christ, $33 freaking dollars. Oh wow, I just got a new subscriber. Thanks, Scott Valance, for subscribing to my channel. Anyway, the camera works great. Really looking forward to using it, and thanks for checking out this crazy ass video. And hey, it's This Old Outboard. You know the channel.